ꯄꯣꯠꯌꯥꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯍꯟꯗꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯎꯍꯩ-ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯈꯛꯇꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯕ ꯋꯥꯏꯟ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯘꯔꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯡ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯨꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯁꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯎꯅꯥꯗ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯚꯤꯌꯥꯟ ꯁꯦꯜꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯅꯥꯁꯄꯥꯇꯤ, ꯍꯩꯀ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯆꯣꯔꯐꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯏꯟ ꯃꯈꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯈꯤ꯫ ꯋꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯋꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯨꯜꯗ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯣꯔꯇꯤꯁꯟ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯔ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯐꯨꯡꯆꯥꯝꯅꯧ ꯔꯥꯟꯔꯩꯐꯤ ꯈꯥꯔꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥꯅ ꯎꯍꯩ-ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯖꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯎꯍꯩ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯠꯊ ꯄꯨꯝꯊꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯂꯦ꯫ ꯎꯍꯩ-ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯠꯊ ꯄꯨꯝꯊꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯀꯔꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯒꯗꯒꯦ, ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯅ ꯂꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯊꯝꯂꯒ ꯋꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯡꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯅꯤ꯫ ꯁꯁꯇꯦꯅꯦꯕꯜ ꯍꯦꯜꯗꯤ ꯂꯤꯚꯤꯡ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯏꯜ, ꯂꯦꯠ ꯌꯣꯔ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯕꯤ ꯗ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯁꯤꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯡ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯍꯣꯔꯇꯤꯁꯟꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯒꯗꯧꯔꯕ ꯎꯍꯩ-ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯀꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯤꯔꯤ꯫ ꯋꯥꯏꯟ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯤꯁꯥ ꯀꯥꯍꯟꯒꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯌꯥꯟ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯦ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯗ ꯆꯥꯝꯃ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯨꯡꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯍꯟꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ꯫ ꯋꯥꯏꯟ ꯁꯨꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯋꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯏꯟꯐ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯆꯔꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯤ꯫ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯃꯤꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯄꯥꯜ ꯇꯥꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫
So I'm basically manufacturing varieties of indigenous fruit wine. It is completely a premium, naturally organic quality found in the Ukhrul Hills. There are varieties of fruit wines which I manufacture, namely the kiwi, plum, wild apple, wild dates, rhododendron, olive, gooseberries. There are so many other products. The price differ according to the bottle size and according to the product. But basically for 750 ml, it starts from 800 to 2000. And for the smaller one, it starts from 400. And I have other smaller products started from 10 rupees and 5 rupees. So it differs according to the product.